how to integrate Ezoic with WordPress. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate Ezoic with WordPress. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Ezoic website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. To start, log into your Ezoic account. A message should appear requesting you integrate, but you can also navigate to settings in the main menu and then select integration. Select manage and scroll down to the WordPress plugin section. Then click integrate now. On the following screen, click Ezoic integration and then select download. You can alternatively integrate with Ezoic's WordPress plugin while logged into your WordPress site. Under Plugins, search for Ezoic integration. You will see the Ezoic integration plugin with the Ezoic logo. Click Install now to download the plugin. After the plugin is installed, navigate to the Installed Plugins tab and scroll down to the Ezoic plugin. Now click Activate. You are now fully integrated with Ezoic via the WordPress plugin. So that's how you can integrate Ezoic with WordPress. That's all for this video.